In this video, we're going to look at solving the linear equation 5x minus parentheses 2x minus 10 equals 35. So the idea of solving an equation is we want to get the variable completely by itself or isolated on one side of the equation. So notice here we have a 5x, we have a 2x. So the variable is showing up in multiple places. So we need to combine those two terms somehow. But notice that the 2x is stuck inside of a set of parentheses. So to get it out of the set of parentheses, we need to distribute the negative that's out in front to both terms inside the parentheses. And what that's going to do is that's going to free up the 2x so that we can then combine it with the 5x. So we bring down the 5x, and when we distribute this, the negative multiplied by the 2x is going to give us minus 2x. The negative multiplied by the negative 10 is going to give us positive 10 because two negatives become a positive if they're being multiplied. And then we just bring down the 35 from the right-hand side of the equation. Now we've simplified this to 5x minus 2x plus 10 equals 35. So we can go ahead and combine the 5x and the 2x. If you have 5 of something minus 2 of something, it's just going to leave you with 3 of something. So we'll have 3x plus 10 equals 35. And so now again, let's go back to our strategy. We want to isolate the variable. So we want to get the x completely by itself. Right now it's being multiplied by 3 and we're adding 10. So let's subtract 10 to get rid of that. Remember, you want to do the opposite so that it cancels out. Positive 10 minus 10 is going to leave you with 0. So on the left hand side we're just left with 3x. And on the right hand side we have 35 minus 10, which is going to give us 25. So now the only thing keeping us from having the x completely isolated is it's being multiplied by 3. So again, let's do the opposite function. Let's divide both sides by 3. And the 3 is going to cancel on top and bottom. So on the left-hand side, we now just have x. On the right-hand side, we have 25 over 3. And this answer isn't necessarily particularly pretty, but if you did go back and plug the 25 over 3 in the place of x in the original problem, you would get 35 on the left-hand side as well on the right-hand side.